So for this video, we're gonna be making burgers. We're gonna be making burgers for him, our judge. Since he knows how to make burgers, I don't want him to cook it. And we don't know how. So we already had the fire going and everything. Now we're just gonna put the meat and the season on there, and then we'll get back. All right, so we have to move the camera because right there was Az. We cannot see him.
Huh? Come here. What?
No, I was just telling him that we moved the camera. That's it.
Yeah. No problem. Don't they want to see this? Don't they want to see this?
But this is just that's not the point of the video though.
No, but it is the point of the video. No, dog.
We're not flipping it. No, I'm making a burger with the best thing. Oh!
Let me make the part first. That's it, my gun. Big up Faith Project. Okay, so basically what's happening right here is these are my buns that I'm cooking for him. This is my patty, and this is his patty.
Okay, so this is my burger. I'm gonna start preparing it now. I gotta get this in the back check out. That's a chunky boy. There we go. That's my final product of the burger. Got 2 meats right there, double cheese, everything, you know, all the basics. Let's go.
So basically, I forgot.
They each made a burger, right? And now I'm judging them since I think it was their first time making one, right?
Yes, correct.
It was the first time making one. So this is theirs. I don't know whose is which one.
Okay,
There's a little piece right there. I don't know.
based off of looks, how does this one look?
It looks okay. It looks fine. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good.
Okay, what about this one?
I don't know about that.
Or you got a little.
There's a little bit of ski on there. Nah, this one kind of looks better. To my
Which
opinion,
one?
add this one.
Okay, impressions. 1 out of 10 for both of these.
I'm gonna give this one like an 8. Yeah, because it's I'll give this one a 7.5.
That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Alright.
Alright. Did I eat it or something?
Yeah, you eat it. Come on now, bro. It's not that hard.
Oh, buns are kind of cold. I don't know about that, man.
Thoughts, impressions?
You did pretty good.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
She's at Burger King.
Did I?
Yeah,
The Whopper? No.
Kinda, yeah, honestly. I couldn't taste the jalapeno in there though.
Oh, okay.
I bit it, but I couldn't taste it.
Dead ass Burger King? Alright, this one next. Wait. Out of 10.
I don't know, I have to see this one.
Okay, go ahead.
The bones are kind of cold on this one too, man. It has a little bit of weight to it.
A little bit weight? It's chunky, huh?
Yeah,
It's a chunky boy.
Oh, that's kind of sus. Right there, bro. I like this one way better, dude. This has like, you can taste the cheese and shit, you can taste everything in there. And it's like the patty's like juicy, bro.
It's juicy, huh?
Yeah, this is kind of like, kind of dry. I can't taste the seasoning. Yeah, this one, I'll give this one like a 9. I guess it was like a 7. So I still a 7.
Okay, so obvious winner right here. Obvious. Okay, now we'll reveal whose burgers is which. So this one's mine. This one's mine. Okay, but no, this one's mine. I lost. Okay, sure, whatever.
To be fair, whenever he was flipping the patties and shit, he fucked up like 2 patties on there. And like,
Let's not talk about that, alright?
nah, but it was still pretty good for your first time. It was fine.
It was pretty good?
Yeah. This one, man, you should went with the double cheese.
Look at him
bro.
all smiling and shit. Nah,
see, you did good with the double cheese.
I want you to talk.
Fucking me, bro. So, what did I put in this?
What happened?
What did you put in it?
It was just mayo, ketchup, lettuce, cheese, obviously, pickles, and jalapeno. I don't put tomato. I'm like, nah, I don't want to put the tomato right now. I don't want to put that.
Tomato kind of fucked
Yes,
you up.
sir. 9 out of 10, dog. And like, it was our first time making it.
Jordan, what did you put on yours?
everything he put. Oh, and tomato. He didn't put
Yeah, I think it was your patty, bro. It's good. It's not raw. So you did good on that.
Yeah. Yeah, the problem is though, why he couldn't actually tell if the burger was done, cause see, my uncle had came to show us a little bit, but we didn't cook with him. He showed us, and I didn't. I was doing it with him, and what was he doing? Nothing. He was on his phone by the pool.
Yeah.
That's why he couldn't flip it. That's why I couldn't tell if it was done.
Yeah.
And that was us making our first burgers, and apparently it was really good. I don't know really, because I didn't try it. He's gonna eat them. So I'm surprised as well, honestly. I thought I was gonna burn mine or have it raw in the middle, but it didn't.
Gone raw?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be complete ass, but like.
Nah, he was scared we were gonna do something to his burger, though. He really swore.
Yeah, like.
Because I would have done it. I would have fucking put like some nasty shit. Nasty ass. Nah, I would have put like, I don't even know what I would put.
We actually made all these burgers, so now we made our own burgers. Now we're gonna eat them, and I guess that's it for this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Failed Projects out.